Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2014 on a 14 plate Peugeot Partner Tepee S. This is the wheelchair access vehicle with a 1.6 petrol engine and a 5-speed manual gearbox finished in rich oak metallic, and it's covered less than 25,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around of this really clean and tidy 2-seater wheelchair access Peugeot Partner. If you follow us or follow our page, you'll know that we do sell a lot of these wheelchair access vehicles. We tend to have one at a time pretty much, and this is the next one to join us. April 2014 registered Peugeot Partner Tepee. Quite rare, this one, because it's got the 1.6 petrol engine as opposed to the diesel. So if you are going down the petrol route these days, as many people are, of course, really good option. 24,900 and some odd miles. 2 owners from new. Excellent service history. 9 recorded in the service book, so serviced every year, properly maintained throughout. Looks the part in this rich oak metallic. Wheels are in great shape. Really clean and tidy for one of these. Sliding rear doors, which we'll come to in a second. Nice level of spec on this S model as well, actually, as we take a look inside. Seats are in lovely condition. It's certainly not been hammered to pieces, this one. All the bolsters are good. Plastics are pretty good as well. Steering wheel's in excellent condition. Door cards are all good as well. Remote central locking does come with 2 remote keys, electronically adjustable door mirrors. There's your 2 keys. Around the side you've got some radio controls there. As we come in, we've got a couple of cup holders, manual handbrake, 5-speed manual gearbox. Down below we've got your electric front windows, and then moving back, air conditioning of course, radio CD as well. Very straightforward Peugeot setup. It's looked like that for a lot of years, so you'll be used to that. There are cubby holes and bits of storage compartments everywhere. We've got a glove box at the bottom, you've got some storage there, we've got some storage up above as well, with all your handbooks, etc. And then sliding rear doors. You've got these compartments underneath, storage compartments with all your bits and bobs. Again, nice and clean and tidy. Electronic winch. This can obviously be used as a wheelchair access vehicle primarily, but because it's only got the 2 seats in the front, you could also use it for business use as well. Ideal if you're a gardener or a keen golfer and you've got a big trolley or anything like that. Parking sensors across the rear, and then into the load space itself. Massive, of course. This is how it is as standard. This will lift up so you can have it as a square panel facing you, and obviously the ramp comes down as well. I can't do it one-handed, but if you have a look on the pictures that are supplied on the advert, you'll be able to see exactly what it does. You've got the seat belts. You've got the winch at the back there, which is fully operational. So it's good to go. Loads of headroom. Does exactly what it says on the tin, but many uses for this one. Doesn't just have to be for a wheelchair, of course. You can use it for different things should you wish. And there we have it. Ever popular Peugeot Partner Tepee with the Horizon conversion. 1.6 petrol, less than 25,000 miles, super service history, finance available from less than £190 a month. The car's very recently been MOT'd, so it runs until the 18th of August 2024. It was serviced at the same time. We will be replacing 2 tyres and also the front brake pads and the front brake discs. When the car arrived with us, we put it through the workshop quickly just to check it out, and that's what we found. So that'll come with the car along with 2 keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look on the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Nice price range, wheelchair access vehicle. We do well with these, they're always popular, especially the petrol ones. So I'm sure this one will be snapped up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.